Water prevention flood barriers are essential tools in managing and mitigating the impact of floods. These barriers can be deployed quickly and effectively to divert or contain floodwaters, protecting homes, businesses, and infrastructure from damage. On the other hand, water gate bags offer a convenient and portable solution for flood control. Their compact size makes them easy to store when not in use, allowing for quick deployment when needed.
Testing in Thailand. Unroll the water gate barrier along the ground in your desired location and secure the front bib. As water fills the water gate, the water's weight secures the bottom of the barrier to the ground. The water's pressure pushes forward and upward against the barrier's pocket, pushing it open and automatically activating the dam. As shown in the video, even if you put pressure on the top, it will return to its original shape.